Who's there? Who?
Welcome to Tutorial Week, Day 3, how to open a jam the door. Now the first thing that you must do is you've got to investigate the door, and you can see over here that there's the hingy, and over here is the handle. They're on opposite sides, and what that means is that the door is going to open to this way, where the hinges are, so you'll use this hand, and the door is very jammed, so you gotta like sturdy your body, you gotta get your feet planted on the floor, and then you hang on, and then you pull. Sometimes you gotta do it like a jerk motion, like really strong. And that's how you open a jammed door.